youth are the leaders of tomorrow and plays a crucial role in shaping the future. In India, where over 50% of the population is under 25 and more than 65% is under 35, young people are crucial for the country's development. With an average age of 29 compared to 37 in China and 48 in Japan, Indian youth are vital for driving economic and social growth. As Swami Vivekananda said, "Give me 100 energetic young men and I will transform India." Indian youth can drive progress through community service, digital literacy programs, and healthcare projects. The Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports has started the National Youth Corps to involve young people in nation building, which supports democracy and economic growth. Youth participation in Olympics is also becoming more important. The International Olympic Committee and national organizations are focusing on engaging younger athletes. The Youth Olympic Games, which started in 2010, offer a platform for the athletes aged 14 to 18 to compete internationally and embrace Olympic values. Countries are working on identifying and developing young sport talents through scouting programs, scholarships, and training. These efforts also include educational programs that support both sports and personal growth. India significantly prepared for 2024 Olympics with the government under Prime Minister Narendra Modi, showing a strong commitment to athletes and planning to host both the Young Olympics and the Olympics in India in near future. The Union Budget 2024-25 also showed a strong focus on youth development, with the plans to create about 8 million jobs each year and improve skills. Key programs included internship and skill development initiatives are backed by the budget of Rs 2 lakh crores, emphasizing the importance of preparing young people for the future.